Good morning, guys. Sean and Lily here. We're about to go to the seaport, back at it again. Got the Drizzone with me, so we're gonna get some stellar shots, get some coffee, get some food, and have a good time.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Nerf this!
Yep.
Well,
About to get some coffee
some
kid.
breakfast. Where are you going? We're gonna get some breakfast.
Yep. What do you want to get?
We're gonna go to Chloe.
Oh, word.
That's where they have the tofu breakfast.
Oh, nice. So we're gonna head over to Chloe, but first, coffee. But
Chloe
Chloe's
has
over there. Oh,
It
Chloe
is?
has coffee? Yeah.
Oh,
That's
you wanna
alright.
turn around?
No, we'll cut through together.
This would be a great spot to take an Instagram picture. Like
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah, it would.
All the stuff.
Get some Starbs. Nowhere else is open yet. So I finished my coffee. I'm all fueled up. The Shui
Come on, much.
has got the match and some shade from Blue Mercury, a foundation she got,
And a concealer.
and a concealer. Oh, free. We're waiting for.
I didn't get concealer for free.
Oh, really?
No, I paid for it.
Oh. I thought you said here's some free samples.
Oh no, yeah, she did get free samples, but the concealer wasn't a free sample. That was
Okay.
that was my own money.
She still got stuff for free. We're just walking around waiting for Chloe to open so we can get some plant-based gains. So,
Yeah.
just killing time right now. This is the world. This is the world. Yeah, let's go see what we can get into.
Some breakfast. Plant-based.
Stop.
So we just finished breakfast.
And it was delicious.
It was so good. And now we're gonna go and
Get some drone shots.
so that was amazing.
Y'all ain't ready for these drone shots.
You are not ready.
Y'all ain't ready for these drone shots.
What?
So the Shui is editing her video. I just uploaded the drone shots. I hope you guys enjoy them. I'm gonna play them at the end of this video. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would have known that I was taking the drone out. If you're not following me there already, let's connect. It's down in the description, or it's at Sean_Lunny, first name _ last name. Just wanted to talk to you guys real quick about my YouTube channel as a whole, and this stairway is very echoey, so let's go down a little bit. So as you guys know, I've been really trying to step up my YouTube game, and part of that is my new intro. Part of that is me providing more value in my videos, i.e. tips, tricks, advice, which I've done in all my vlogs as well, but really just like gearing videos towards helping others more. So hopefully you guys have gotten even more value out of my videos since I've kind of revamped the channel. But now where I have this drone, it's gonna be a lot more entertainment value to you guys. I'm gonna be able to get a lot more cinematic type shots. And I'm so friggin' excited. I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm so ready to really, you know, start to master this. And I feel like I'm getting better and better and better each video. So I just wanted to take a seat and talk to you guys about my little experience flying the drone for the first time in the city. It was really, really fun, but I was super, super nervous. Battery's about to die. Battery's about to die. Always, dude. So there's a bunch of no-fly zones, obviously with the airport being in the city. Guys, if you're not growing, you're dying. You need to get outside of your comfort zone. I was so afraid to fly that drone. One, because that drone is very expensive. Two, because there are restricted zones in the city. And three, I really hadn't flown it in the city before. Really, it was just that first time in the backyard, you know, playing around. But I drove all the way there. We were there, you know, getting some things, having breakfast and so forth. But I was, in my mind, I was looking for every excuse not to fly that drone. I'm kind of happy that I realized that. I really became self-aware and realized that I was trying to find an excuse not to fly it. And I said, listen, Sean, stop being a little scaredy cat and go do it. And I did it, and I got these amazing shots. I really hope you enjoy them. The channel is gonna be so much better now that I have this drone. It's gonna be just a whole new quality of video. So I really hope you enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember, if you're not growing, you're dying. So do things that scare you. Keep leveling up. That's the only way you're gonna get better. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button. I release videos just like this every Monday to get your week started and every Friday to get your weekend going. So turn that notification bell on. You don't want to miss them. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.